ScaleGrid's fully managed hosting for MongoDB Database offers a unique feature called Peek at Backup or Selective Restore that allows you to access and review particular data within a backup without restoring your entire backup. So, if you deleted some rows by mistake, you can simply go back to your latest backup and recover this data without having to perform a restore to your production cluster. Peek at Backup can also be used for testing, as you can create a copy of your production data and test this data with a new version of your application. All you have to do is click the Backup and Restore button on your cluster details page and select Peek at Backup from the drop-down list. Simply enter a name for the new cluster, select the backup from the backup list, and click Peek. This creates a new standalone MongoDB instance from your selected backup. Once it's up and running, you can access it, download the data you want, and then delete it when you're done. As always, if you have any questions, please email us at support@scalegrid.io.